Hello guys, welcome to KTC. On today's video I'll be showing you guys how to register or sign up to iICE money network on your mobile devices. Okay, so if you are Android user, go to Play Store to download the iICE money app from there. So open to Play Store and search for iICE money network and tap on the install button from there. Wait for it to finish installation, and when the installation is done you find the app on your mobile screen. So I'll go back to the phone screen and tap on the mining app over here. So you wait for the app to load and you'll be sent to the registration platform, the iICE mining network. So from here you can register or sign up with your Gmail account, your mobile phone, or your Twitter account, but I will advise you guys to use either your mobile phone number or your email account, but for now I'll be using my Gmail account. After signing up with your Gmail account, you wait for it to load and you'll be sent to this welcome screen. So this is a quick orientation that will guide you through. So this is a very quick one, you can have time to read through or you can just slide it. So this is the end of the orientation. Tap on the next step for you to set up your nickname, and your nickname will be used as a referral code to your referrals. Okay, so choose a nice name. I trust you will do. So after setting up your nickname, click on the next step button to the next stage, and here who invited you must to be entered as a referral. So use my referral code on the screen, helpmelord at helpmelord1. So type in your referral. Okay, so when you are done typing in your referral code, click on the complete button below and you earn 10 ice coin for using my referral code. Click on the complete button again. So this is the mining space. You can see over here, down below here, you can see the blue button, which is the mining icon. Whenever you tap on it, you activate your mining session. Okay, I mean 24 hours of mining session. So you type on it and you have a 24-hour session. And you can see at the top left we have the watch icon or the time icon. So you have a 24-hour session of mining, right? As you can see, 23 hours plus 58 minutes going. Okay, and at the right hand side you can see the iICE network icon, which is your earning rate. Okay, and below left we have the stake period, which is the number of years you must do, or the number of years you can stake your iICE mining app or your iICE account to, and the stake balance. We have all those things over there. I will explain further in the next video, so watch out for my next video and we will go on to that. And let's go to the top. Below your referral code or your nickname, you have the current balance. So whenever you use my referral code, you get a chance of earning 10 ice coins for your first time of registering. Okay, so this is your current balance now, and this is your earning rate. So the more people you refer, the more your earning rate gets higher and the more coins you earn. So get to register and join me now using my referral code helpmelord1. Okay, so this is my referral code. Using my referral code, you get the chance of earning 10 ice coins for your first time of registering. Okay, and that's cool. So if there's something dragging you off from registering, imagine a time came when Bitcoin also came as this. Bitcoin was once a project, and iICE network is also a project, because Bitcoin once a project, now it's making billions upon billions and making people rich on the internet and the physical world. Okay, so why are you waiting for this to come live before you wish you had registered? This is the time. Please take advantage of this and register now. So this is the end of the video. Please do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share to my videos. Okay, any difficulties, let me know in the comment section below, and if this video helped you enough, please let me know in the comment section below. And if it didn't, let me know in the comment section below. Come in with your comment, come in with your questions, and let me know how we're gonna solve it. Okay, thank you. Please do me a favor, check out for my next video.